What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. Having a masculine face with a strong jawline is one of the key aspects of being an attractive man. And as a masculine face does not only depend on your genetics, I created today's video to show you 5 hacks that you can use in order to get a more masculine and defined face. If that sounds interesting guys, let's hop into it. Number 1 guys, work with your beard. If you can grow a beard, then take advantage of it to emphasize your jawline and cheekbones. A beard can work for men like makeup does for women. You can create some extra contouring to your face and therefore have a more defined face. But don't make the mistake by growing your beard too long, as it can have the opposite effect and make your face look less defined and more rounder. By the way guys, if you can't grow a beard, I can definitely recommend to work with a derma roller to activate the hairs to grow, and you can also use some beard oils to support this process. In the description of this video we linked all the essential tools that you need in order to grow a fuller beard. Alright guys, let's continue with the next advice, which is lower your body fat. Your body fat percentage makes a huge difference on how your face looks. If your body fat percentage is high, then your face will look less defined and more rounder. In comparison to that, if your body fat percentage is low, let's say you have a clean diet and you work out regularly, then your face will look more defined, especially your jawline and cheekbones will be emphasized more. So guys, if you want to have a more defined face and more masculine face, then make sure to work out regularly and also to have a clean diet. The next hack to get a more defined and masculine face is to trim your sides of your hair shorter. If the sides of your hair are shorter, your face will automatically look more defined, especially your cheekbones and jawline. It is such a simple but still so effective way to increase your appearance. I would definitely recommend to have a fade on your sides, for example starting with 0 to 3 mm and then going up to 6 to 9 mm. So what I personally did is I bought myself a hair trimmer, so I don't need to run to the barber shop every single week, and I can always adjust my beard and my sides the way I want. I can definitely recommend to learn it by yourself. It will save you a lot of time and money as well. I will link you the trimmer that I'm currently using down in the description below so you can have a look at it. Alright guys, let's continue with the next hack, which is focus on your skincare. Pimples and other issues with your face will make you look like a teenager in its puberty. If you want to have a more masculine face, then you need to make sure that your skin is on point. I also created a lot of videos about this topic. I will link you my essentials below. For example guys, a few days ago I made a video about 5 skin issues and the treatments and methods that you can use in order to handle it. Make sure to check them out if you want to upgrade your skin. And last but not least guys, have a high testosterone level. A higher testosterone level is responsible for a thicker and stronger bone structure. I personally found out that it can definitely improve your face structure and jawline as well. To get a higher testosterone level, I can definitely recommend to work out more and also supplement zinc. Also guys, you should definitely stop with masturbation, as it can decrease your testosterone level. So guys, make sure to try it out by yourself for at least 1 to 2 months and see the differences. And that's basically it for today's video. Those were 5 ways on how you can get a more defined and masculine face. Share this video with a friend who needs to see it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video.